In this meditation, we are commanding your person to call you now. There is no waiting. They will instantly contact you, and they will be forced by the law of your own consciousness to love you unconditionally this very second. The more you listen to this, the easier and more powerful it will become. Now close your eyes and let's begin. I am open to positive communication now. I attract meaningful conversations with ease. Good news can reach me at any moment. I welcome unexpected and pleasant contact. I am worthy of hearing from people I care about. Communication flows naturally into my life. I radiate positive energy and connection. I am open to delightful surprises. I feel connected even before the phone rings. I expect positive interactions today. I am attracting warm and friendly communication. I am easy to reach and easy to connect with. I welcome messages that bring happiness. Every day brings opportunities of connection. I am grateful for the people who think of me. I attract sincere and genuine conversations. I feel relaxed while good things unfold. I release the need to force outcomes. I am aligned with positive communication. I deserve relationships built on mutual interest and respect. I am open to hearing from the person on my mind. Positive contact can happen sooner than I expect. I welcome communication that serves my highest good. I trust that I am remembered and appreciated. My energy invites connection and warmth. I am available for meaningful conversations. I attract attention naturally and effortlessly. I believe good things are possible. I feel excitement about today's possibilities. I am grateful for every connection in my life. Communication comes to me with ease. I choose faith over worry. I am worthy of being contacted and appreciated. I expect positive developments. I am attracting healthy and authentic relationships. I release doubt and welcome possibility. I am surrounded by opportunities for connection. I trust the universe can surprise me in wonderful ways. I feel confident and secure within myself. I am open to receiving a pleasant call today. My life is filled with meaningful connections. I am ready for joyful communication. I welcome unexpected moments of happiness. I am open, receptive, and grateful for positive contact. I confidently expect positive communication now. I am a magnet for meaningful contact. I naturally draw people toward me. I am unforgettable and impossible to ignore. I confidently receive the attention I desire. I expect good news to reach me quickly. I am attracting communication with powerful ease. I know I am valued and appreciated. I command respect, interest, and attention. I fully expect pleasant surprises today. I trust that connection is finding its way to me now. I radiate an energy that inspires people to reach out. I am always on the minds of those who care about me. I confidently welcome unexpected contact. I attract sincere conversations effortlessly. I am receptive to positive communication right now. I know that I am worthy of being contacted. I expect meaningful interactions to happen naturally. I am aligned with connection, communication, and harmony. I attract attention without chasing it. I am calm because good things are already unfolding. I trust that the right people are drawn toward me. I am a powerful attractor of positive communication. I release doubt and strengthen my expectation of good outcomes. I deserve relationships that flow with ease. I expect to be pleasantly surprised. I naturally inspire people to think of me. I am worthy of consistent and genuine communication. I confidently receive connections meant for me. I attract warmth, attention, and appreciation. I welcome contact that brings joy and clarity. I expect connection instead of worrying about it. I receive positive contact now. Type, I receive positive contact now to affirm and claim. Listen to this meditation every day as much as possible to receive continuous contact. The more you listen to this, the faster it works. And if you need help manifesting your desired reality, if you would like someone to spoil you, if you would like someone to give you undivided attention, if you would like to get your desired person back as soon as possible, let me help you by manifesting them for you. You can sign up for me to manifest for you today at joybyjanell.com or click the link in the description box below. Thousands of people's lives have already been changed with my manifestations. It is literally a no-brainer to invest in yourself and in the love of your life. I hope you have an amazing day, and I will see you in the next meditation.